Well, what I'm doing right now is I'm deploying hobos, and they're going to measure the temperature for specific sites. This one measures relative humidity also, and we put one here at JC1 and then one up at JC003, so that we can get we're closer to the creek here, so it should be interesting to see what the relative humidity levels are. I did a couple tests, and I figured that 20 centimeters above ground was probably the best indicator of temperature of a thermal landscape. So I've set all of them at about 20 centimeters, and they're all facing north, because if they're facing east or west, they peak out at 115 in the morning or afternoon. So that's probably the most stable way to measure the temperature. I've been deploying the hobos at sites specifically, and this one is one of those. We've got one at JC001, one at 03, 4, 5, and 6, and 14 now. And then the other 4 transects of hobos are on 40-meter elevation gradients, changes from Jack Creek all the way up to the top of the ridge. So hopefully we'll be able to get a real good idea about the thermal landscape here. What I mean by thermal landscapes is the difference in temperature along the topographic gradient, and hopefully we'd be able to find out if there's differences in temperature and then site placement, where people are staying, camping, flint napping, that type of thing. So it should just give us temperature above ground through different times of the day. I've set these to record every 15 minutes, and they can probably run for 82 days. So hopefully we'll be able to get enough measurements to understand what's going on along the landscape at different elevation gradients.